Almost 3 decades. I have a very fond memory of my visit to Hubli. Almost, I can say 40 years ago, 1982, when I heard
ಮೋದಿ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಆಡಳಿತ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅನ್ನೋ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಮನ್ ಕಿ ಬಾತ್ ಅದರದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಜನರ ಹಾಗೂ ಪಿಎಂ ನಡುವೆ ಸಂವಹನ ಆಡಳಿತವನ್ನು ಸರಾಗವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸುವ ವಿಧಾನ ಎಂದು ವಿದೇಶಾಂಗ ಖಾತೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಚಿವ ವಿ ಮುರಳೀಧರನ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಕೇಂದ್ರ ವಿದೇಶಾಂಗ ಸಚಿವ ವಿ ಮುರಳೀಧರನ್ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರ ಮನ್ ಕಿ ಬಾತ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಲಿಸಿದ ಬಳಿಕ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾರರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಅವರು, ಜನರು ತಮ್ಮ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಪಿಎಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪಿಎಂ ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನ ಮೋದಿ ಪ್ರಶಂಸಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿಶೇಷವೆನಿಸಿದರೆ ಅಂಥವರನ್ನ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ಎಂದರು. ಇದು ಆಡಳಿತದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳುವಿಕೆ. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ನಂತರ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಈಗ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಮೋದಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ನಾಗರಿಕರನ್ನ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುನ್ನ ನಗರದ ಕವಿವಿ ಆವರಣದ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳ ನಿವಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಚಿವ ವಿ ಮುರಳೀಧರನ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತಜ್ಞರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಮನ್ ಕಿ ಬಾತ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಲಿಸಿದರು.
also have joined me. I consider that we are fortunate to be and privileged to be living in this time of our life when Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is introducing new methods of governance in the country. Prime Minister has always held the view that it should be less of government and more of governance. The Mann Ki Baat, I consider that this is part of that effort. It's a communication between the people and the Prime Minister, cutting away all the red tapes of the administrative system. One can directly write to the Prime Minister, put forward the problems, the issues, the points that comes to his mind, and the Prime Minister addresses those, Prime Minister appreciates those, Prime Minister communicates those. So it's a involvement of the people in government. Normally in our country, till after we got independence, it took more than 3-4 decades. After in the 1980s, we brought the 73rd constitutional amendment, which ensured participation of the people in local governance. But now we see the participation of the people in the affairs of the government of India, the development process, the involvement of the people in the development process. So Prime Minister Modi ji has been trying to making efforts to involve the common man of this country, every citizen of this country, irrespective of his caste, creed, language, literacy, all these things. Irrespective of all these aspects, he has made that effort and has been successful in involving the people of this country in the governance of the country and the developmental process of the country. So I am very much thankful to you, all of you, and I hope that and I request all of you to give more importance to such programs so that people of the more and more citizens of this state and the country gets involved and get to know of such efforts by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Sir, what about the